Alright, I just had my new MXP exhaust system installed a couple weeks ago, and unfortunately I have a 7AT automatic because of the wife. That's my story, I'm sticking to it, so I don't want to hear anything, guys. Anyways, came with the original B pipes, which I guess were test fit on a automatic, on a 6-speed, not a automatic. So my new B pipes just came in the other day. I had those installed along with the Berk test pipes, and I'm going to fire it up right now and take us for a little quick spin just in drive to let you guys hear how it sounds. I might throw it into drive sport at some point, so you know, don't mind the smoke either. Thanks. Oops, that was neutral. I gotta get that in mind. Going about 20. You can tell there's something under there, but you really can't tell what besides the exhaust. Hit the RPMs a little bit. Come on. Little Civic won't get out of my way. Put a little distance between me and them. When it shifts between first and second and third, you really do notice the barking of the Berk test pipes. I kind of like it. It is damn loud, and I'm sure the wife's gonna hate it. Got a little traffic, so I'm gonna wait. Hey. That was wide open throttle, pretty loud, felt pretty good, and there it is. I'm going to stop the video, I think. Actually, I'll circle around and do it in drive sport mode. Flipping it into DS now. I'm not going to shift because I can't hold the camera and shift at the same time. And steer, that is. It's about 4:34 right now, so starting to get a little bit of our nice Michigan traffic, even though I'm in the suburbs. Only 2 lanes out here, so bottleneck's pretty good. All right, here we go. The car really did jump, and there was a little bit of a hesitation between first and second, and then it opened right back up. I'm guessing the stuff needs to be broken in a little bit more. I don't even have 50 miles, 20, not even 20 miles yet. So that is my little preview of the Berk test pipes along with the MXP with the new B pipe on the 7AT 2009 Infiniti G37 Sport. And I will have updates soon with the R2C intakes. Thank you.